Dear friends, let us learn how to make this dynamic 3D solid shape known as small rhombic cubo-octahedron discovered by great scientist Archimedes. Before making it, let me introduce you with brief history of this solid shape. About 2500 years ago, the great philosopher Plato introduced the world with 5 regular 3D shapes known as Platonic solids. 100 years later, Archimedes worked on these Platonic solids and discovered 13 new 3D shapes known as Archimedean solids. Like Platonic solids, these are also very stable. This small rhombic cubo-octahedron is also one of those 13 solid shapes. Do you know the first satellite Aryabhatta launched by India in 1975 was also very similar to this Archimedean solid shape, a small rhombic cubo-octahedron having 26 faces, 18 squares and 8 equilateral triangles. Let us make this model. To make this model, you need A4 sheet, compass, ruler, glue, scissor, etc. Now take A4 sheet and make a square sheet out of it like this. You need 4 such square sheets. Now take one square sheet and fold it to half. Now fold these two halves to further halves like this. Now sheet is divided into 4 equal parts. See. Do the same from the other side also. One half and other two halves to further half. In this way our sheet is divided into 16 equal squares. Do same for other 3 square sheets also. Now we have 4 square sheets. Now join 2 such sheets into a single sheet with 32 squares on it using tape very carefully. First use small tape. Then use one big tape. Make 2 such sheets. Cut the extra tape. Now take one sheet. And remove one row of 8 squares from it. Now take compass and open it up to the side of the squares. And now mark an arc from the adjoining vertices of the square. Do this for 4 alternate squares. Now this. We have to mark in 4 alternate squares. Now take the scissor and separate the 2 squares from the adjoining squares very carefully. Do not cut extra. Now we have to remove the extra paper above the cut marks very carefully. We will remove extra paper above the cut mark we have made like this. Now take the pencil and join the cut marks with the two corners of the squares like this, and we will get equilateral triangles. Now fold the sides of the equilateral triangle, and these two will work as flaps to join our model. Do this for all the four equilateral triangles. Fold the two sides of the triangle first using scale, then make the fold sharp using your nails. Then reverse the model. Each triangle will and adjoin triangle with the adjoining squares like this. For this, apply glue on the flaps of the triangles like this and join it to the nearby square. Paste the flap of triangle under the square. Make sure that the side of the square comes over the side of the triangle so that we get a perfect shape. Slowly you will get round shape like this. This is the last flap to the last square. And very carefully stick all the four squares on the top on one another like this. Now your half model is ready. Make other half also. Now take one half and join the last open side of the this half model with tape like this, and put the other half into this half. Your beautiful rhombic cubo octahedron is ready. You can make it for your maths project or you can make it for fun. If you want to give it shape of a satellite, make 4 paper sticks from the waste paper and join as 4 legs. Make 4 paper sticks like this, roll it over a pencil and paste it with Fevicol or glue. And join these 4 sticks as 4 legs of the satellite, and your satellite is ready. Look how beautiful it looks. Please like this video, comment on this video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Let's think